In this video, we're gonna try to find the set of points or the numbers z in C that would satisfy this quantity equal to 1. So this is the norm of z minus 4 over z minus 6 equal to 1. Okay. Another key idea here is that we can apply the concept of the norm here. Okay. Remember that the norm of a number z is given by the square root of z times z bar. Okay. Or z squared is z times z bar. Okay. And remember that the norm of z over z prime is the same as the norm of z over the norm of z prime. Okay, so using this fact here, okay, so using this last fact here, we see that this one is equal to the norm of z minus 4 over the norm of z minus 6 equal 1. So this gives z minus 4 equals z minus 6. Okay, so we square both sides in this case and apply here the norm as defined by the conjugate. So we get z minus 4 times z minus 4 conjugate equal z minus 6 times z minus 6 conjugate. Okay, and the conjugate of z minus 4 is just z, the conjugate of z minus 4. And the conjugate of z minus 6 is the conjugate of z minus 6. Okay, so here we have z minus 4 times z bar minus 4 equals z minus 6 times z bar minus 6. We multiply. Okay, so we multiply, we get z bar minus 4z minus 4z bar plus 16 equal z bar minus 6z minus 6z bar plus 36. Okay, there are some elements that we can cancel out. Okay, like this one here. Okay, taking elements to the same side, we move this one here, we add 6z to both sides, we get 2z, and we add 6z bar to both sides, we get 2z bar, and we add 36 minus 36 to both sides, we get minus 20 equals 0. This gives us z plus z bar equals 10. Okay, here this is. Now we can use the algebraic form of z. So z can be written as a plus ib, with ab real. Okay, what do we get? So z bar is a minus ib, so z plus z bar is 2a. So 2a is 10. That means a is 5. So we found a, and b can be any. So z is 5 plus ib. So this is a solution. This is the number b in R. Okay, let's see what this one means. So let's find the image of z, or just plug the coordinates. So we have z is 5 plus ib. So here we can do it here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So 5, the real part is always 5, but the imaginary part is changing. So in this case, this is our z. Okay, and this is 4, this is 6. So here z, let's say z minus 4 is this length here, z minus 6 is this length here. So we see that in this case the solution is just this line perpendicular to the line going through 4 and 6. It's the median. Okay, so our z is here, so it's this line that's going through the middle of 4 and 6, which is 5, and perpendicular to them. Okay, so this is our z, 5 plus ib. So this is the number that satisfies this equation. So the solution is, let's write it down, S is 5 plus ib with b in R. Okay, and it's this line here going through the middle of 4 and 6, going through 5. Okay, so we have used many facts here that we're going to prove later when we deal with the norm, and I have a small video about this, about the norms. You can check it. Otherwise, I'm going to add one more videos concerning these ones. Thank you very much.